feeling lucky today. I challenge you to play Lucky Rollers.
Huh, you may need luck, but I trust my calculations.
Lucky rollers? Calculations?
Well, it's an amazing game which requires some maths and a pinch of luck.
Watch and learn, baby boy. The dice roll when you say roll it. Hey, Mr. Computer, not right now. Anyway, dice on left and right have numbers, but the one in the middle is special.
Yeah, it's got simple math operators on it.
Modulus? What's that?
Oh, modulus is just a fancy name for remainder.
So when the dice roll, you get two numbers and an operator. Then you choose a card, and finally, you get an expression to solve.
When you're done solving, Mr. Python will check the final answer. One with the highest number in the end will win.
I am ready. Let me roll it. 4 plus 2. Okay, so 4 plus 2 by 2 will be... it's 3.
All right, let's check what Mr. Python has to say about it.
How can I go wrong? I exactly did what the game said. I just added 4 and 2 to get 6. And then divided 6 by 2 to get 3.
But Mr. Python did the calculations differently, Theo. First, it divided 2 with 2, which gave 1. And next, he added 4 with 1 to get 5.
But how do we get to know if we need to divide or add first? It could create confusion, Zog.
You're asking the right questions, Theo. To avoid confusion, Mr. Python follows an order for calculations, which has 2 or more operators.
Come, let's figure out the order by doing a calculation.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's just too much maths everywhere.
Calm yourself, Theo.
All right, so Mr. Python does the calculation in this order. First, he solves the brackets.
Oh, that's a good start. Keep going.
Second, he solves the exponents.
So far, so good.
Next, he does the multiplication and division.
Wait, so will Mr. Python multiply or divide first?
Well, that depends on who comes first in the expression while moving from left to right.
Like in this case, multiplication appears first, so Mr. Python will multiply first and then divide.
Now, we have just addition and subtraction left. So, the left to right rule goes here as well?
Yeah, moving left to right. If addition comes first, we add. And if subtraction comes first, we subtract.
So here, Mr. Python will add first and then subtract.
Of course, we add first and then subtract.
Now that's Team BEM does for you. We follow this order to do any calculation.
All right, so in my case, we divide 2 by 2 as we divide first. And next, we add 4. That's how we got 5. Woo!
Yep. So Theo's final number is 5.
Now, who's rolling next?
I will roll it. Ooh! Powers! All right. It's 2.
Wrong. It has to be 4, Zo.
No, it won't.
Let's check it then, bud.
You were saying something, mate?
Was I? Now, where did I go wrong?
Looks like you solved it from left to right. First, 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2. Then, 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4.
Absolutely. And that is how it's done, right?
Yes, it is. Except for exponents. For them, you go from right to left.
So, moving from the right, first, we solve 1 to the power 2 to get 1. Then we solve 2 to the power 1 to get 2.
I'll keep that in mind.
Hey, Zoe lost to Theo. My time to roll it now.
And you win this game, Theo.
Yeah, you're in trouble, Tyra.
Well, I said something in the beginning, remember? I don't need luck. I trust my calculations.
Smart move, Tyra. Good use of brackets there. You saw Theo. Mr. Python solved 6 minus 5 first because of the brackets, and then dividing 6 by 1 gave us 6.
Hats off to you, Tyra.
Thank you.
Anyway, Lucky Rollers was indeed lucky. I got to learn. Mr. Python follows an order to do any calculation to avoid confusion. And he moves from left to right except for exponents, where he goes from right to left.
Awesome.